Hello, we're going to do a walk around demonstration on this 2012 Ford Econoline. This is the E-250 with a NorCal conversion. Overall, the vehicle is in excellent shape. I'll point out any dings, dents, or scratches or condition items as we walk around. It's got the nice chrome grille and bumper on it. We've got alloy wheels with really good tires. It's finished in that beautiful silver color with some body lines. We've got the step side body kit. Like I said, this is converted by NorCal Conversions in California. It's a beautiful setup overall. We've got a full-size spare and a trailer hitch with the two different trailer brake plugs. So this vehicle was definitely spec'd out well when it was made new. Just some tiny little scrapes here, right on the paint right there. Like I said, that's about the only items I could see on the outside of the vehicle. This is an 8-foot tall setup. It's got the raised roof with the raised doors, and this is also lowered floor. So we have 61-inch opening height at the door, which is really convenient for wheelchair use. Okay, so I have the vehicle running, so I'm going to open up the doors. The parking brake is on, and then we have the Braun UVL lift system here. Make sure that's on, and then we have the controller right here. So we're going to go ahead and bring that lift down. And that's going to activate the lift here. As you can see, it's an undermount lift in a cassette style tray that comes out. We have 750 pound capacity. So then once the wheelchair is on the lift here, then we just simply press up. That's going to raise everything up. We have a back plate here that'll keep you on the lift itself. And it's a very quick lift, so it just brings you right into the vehicle there. Once you're inside, we have a bed that folds down. We've got a picture of. Nice interior is finished, kind of like the old Chateau style. And then you have two front seats that are on removable bases here, so you can have somebody sit all the way forward here. We do have wheelchair straps, and of course there's an easy lock already in there installed. So overall, excellent vehicle. Tons of headroom in here. We've got about 66 inches is at the lowest point, right above the passenger position there. So plenty of headroom. And then to exit the vehicle, we come back out the lift here. We just simply hit down. It's going to bring us all the way down here. That lift catch slides open, and then to store the vehicle, the lift, all you have to hit is stow right there. So that's going to allow the system to close everything up, and then it'll find the right position to be able to stow that right back inside there. Very, very slick setup here. Super slim line and doesn't take up a lot of room. Everything's integrated into the car with an interlock system, so you don't accidentally drive away when the lift is still out. So that interlock system is going to tell you what's going on, and it won't let you shift into park until everything's closed up and stored away. Other than that, let us know if you have any questions. It's a beautiful setup here. Rare setup that they don't make anymore. Thank you so much for watching.